I'm John Sadler, president of Sadler Sports Insurance. We insure sports organizations in all 50 states, which includes more than 30 national sports sanctioning bodies and over 9,500 local sports organizations. This video is about how we can help recreation departments and school districts to manage your liability risk, save time, and reduce frustration and hassle when you lease your fields or facilities to outside facility users. These outside facility users are commonly referred to as user groups, sports providers, partners, independent youth leagues, contractors, and qualified groups. Regardless of what they're called, we're talking about teams, leagues, sports camps, tournament hosts, sports instructors, and other special event operators that lease your facilities or fields. We suggest a four-step process to protect yourself when leasing your fields or facilities to these outside user groups. First, you need to have adequate insurance requirements for your outside facility users. Second, these requirements should be effectively communicated and explained to both your staff and outside facility users. Third, you should offer a reputable insurance source for those that don't already have one. And fourth, you need to verify their certificate of insurance for compliance. You need to make sure that you have written insurance requirements that your outside facility users must comply with for both accident and general liability. The requirements should be specific in terms of what limits of coverage are required, as well as other factors impacting the quality of coverage. On this screen, we have some very typical requirements posted. $25,000 accident and $1 million general liability, with the recreation department or school district named as an additional insured. Many rec departments and school districts want to have requirements that are more stringent. For example, some may want a $2 million general liability limit, specific additional insured language, and a waiver of subrogation. We'll gladly assist you in drafting your written requirements or in updating your existing requirements. We can work with your risk manager or your legal department to draft requirements that will do a good job of protecting you, and at the same time will be readily available to be purchased in the sports insurance marketplace. If your requirements are too stringent and can't be complied with by your users without undue haggling and negotiation with their insurance carriers, you're going to wear yourself out in trying to administer compliance, and both you and your outside facility users will become frustrated. The insurance requirements should be effectively communicated and explained to both the outside facility users and the recreation department and school district staff. We found that there's sometimes a lot of confusion about these requirements, even from the rec department and school district staff who answer questions and administer the insurance requirements. The outside facility users need to understand that their sports operations can result in injuries and lawsuits. The most common allegation of negligence by the injured party is for lack of supervision by the outside facility user. Even if the rec department or school district has no involvement with the injury, they're almost always going to be shotgunned into the lawsuit as a deep pocket, either because they're the facility owner or because the attorney thinks that they're actually running the sports operations. Sure, the rec department and school district has its own liability insurance, but it may be subject to a self-insured retention where a high deductible must be paid out of pocket. Furthermore, claims filed against the insurance policy will often result in higher renewal premiums. Therefore, it makes sense that the outside facility users must carry their own insurance to pay for the claims arising out of their operations. This is the best way to shield the rec department and school district. Many of your outside facility users may be affiliated with a national organization such as Little League, Dixie, or American Youth Football that will already offer access to an excellent insurance program that will likely meet your insurance requirements. However, many of the independent users won't have an affiliate insurance program to access and won't have a clue about how to find insurance. This is where you can help by suggesting a source and providing contact information or a website link. It's certainly in your best interest that they locate a reputable source that's affordable, can meet your insurance requirements, and can quickly issue a policy and get the certificate of insurance in your hands. Unfortunately, many outside facility users pay a higher price than is necessary because the insurance agent may not be familiar with the best sources for sports insurance. The coverages may be inferior due to low policy limits or unacceptable coverage loopholes like the athletic participants exclusion. Often, an application must be completed and there's a several-day wait just to get a quote. Once the quote is accepted, it can take several more days to finalize the transaction. Then, it can take up to a week to receive the proof of coverage documents and your certificate of insurance. The worst case scenario is when the insurance is purchased but does not meet your insurance requirements. This entire process can lead to frustration on the part of the outside facility user, which can quickly become your frustration as well. No one sports insurance program can be the best for every sports organization. That's why we offer choices from among our 10 different programs. Some of our programs have lower prices for individual teams because there's no minimum premium charge just to issue the policy. Other programs that we offer have lower prices for multi-team leagues. Some are more competitive for adult sports versus youth sports. And we have special programs for tackle football, tournaments, and camps. Also, some of our programs offer special, hard-to-find coverages such as higher than normal accident and general liability limits, non-owned and hired auto liability, and sex abuse and molestation. There's just no way to build all of these advantages into a single program. That's why you need choices. Here's a screenshot of our website at www.sadlersports.com. All they have to do is click on Get a Quote and find the link that best describes their organization type, and they'll be routed to the insurance program that will best fit their specific needs. All of our programs offer pre-published rates, and most allow our clients to get a quote, pay online, and print off certificates of insurance in as little as 5 minutes. Our best-in-industry automation eliminates the delays and frustration that are commonly associated with sports insurance. From your perspective, we know that you want to get the certificate of insurance in your hands as quickly as possible. We appreciate your consideration and hope that you'll contact us if you're interested in our assistance in reviewing your insurance requirements. Please use us as a referral source for sports insurance, and we'll help to eliminate frustration and delays by simplifying the process. All you have to do is to provide your outside facility users with our special webpage address at www.sadlersports.com. Thank you.